Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making bread rolls. Please follow my social media's links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on with the video. Ingredients: 300 milliliters warm milk, 2 sachets of yeast, 1 spoon of sugar, a half teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 100 grams butter, 650 grams bread flour. The first step is to add your milk, a half teaspoon salt, 1 spoon sugar, butter, 2 sachets of yeast, and 2 eggs. Then mix it all in. The second step is to slowly add your flour, mixing well in between, until it looks like a dough. Put onto a board with some flour and knead until smooth and stretchy. Roll into a long sausage shape, cut them and roll them into a ball that weighs around 50 grams to 75 grams. Put baking paper on a tray and add the dough in a line like this. Put cling film over the tray and put in a warm place like a boiler room for 30 to 45 minutes or until it doubles in size. Now we can add them into the oven for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Here are the final results.